So, have you used Microsoft Word's dark mode in the last couple of years? If you haven't, let me show you how to activate it. Go to File, Account, and change the Office theme to black. Go back and you'll notice almost everything is now inverted colour-wise. A new button on the View tab has also appeared called Switch Modes, allowing you to toggle between a black or white canvas. When we changed the Office theme, we didn't just change Word, we affected all the other Microsoft 365 apps, including Excel. However, despite the ribbon and UI changing, it has left the grid untouched because, well, Excel's dark mode is only half complete, to be honest with you. There is a workaround though. On the Page Layout tab, select Background. Either create an all-black graphic and save it locally, or search for one on Bing. If you've created one, locate the file and double-click on it. The final thing to do is select all cells in the grid and change the font color to white. And there we go, there's your dark mode.